What's happening, guys? Welcome to another brew day. Pretty excited. It's we just got into June. We're just the first week of June here, so it's what, June 7th, June 8th, something like that. Beautiful day here in the northeastern part of Connecticut. Gonna be making a classic American pale ale. Why not, right? So I was a little bit ambitious today. I figured I'd bring the system outside to my deck and brew it here because it's gonna be nice and sunny out. Why not take advantage of it, you know? Plus, not sure if you guys can see, I got my trusty Weber Smoky Mountain there. Checking on out. Let's see if I can open it. We're doing some ribs, so I'll get more into that later on, but check them out. Beautiful ribs. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys, to the Outdoor Brew Day. Making a classic American pale ale with Cascade. I think I'm going to dry hop some Citra. We just doughed in. Looking pretty nice. Just started the recirculation. A little bit of color going through there. You see a few particles of grain going through. They'll settle back right on top. Smells good already. We're gonna mash at 152 today, and ferment with US-05. Should be pretty good. All right, guys, I'll see you at the end of the mash. And we're back. Just finished the mash. Draining now into the mash tun. Water is nice and clear. It'll be a nice, I want to say it's supposed to be 6.2 SRM. I can post the recipe down in the description. So check it on out. We'll be back when we add in our first edition of bittering hops. Hey guys, what's going on? We just got to the boil. Kind of see it there. We're about throwing a ½ ounce of Magnum for bittering. It'll put us right around, I want to say, I think it was like 30 IBUs or so for this pale ale. And the rest, at 10 minutes, we're going to do about 2 ounces of Falconer's Flight 7Cs, which sounds pretty delicious. I know it does. And then we'll do another 2 ounces at Flame Out, or I might do tons of Citra at Flame Out and Cascade. Who knows? We'll find out. Stay tuned. In goes Magnum. Oh, smells amazing already. In they go! Oh, and by the way, we got some ribs. Gonna wrap them soon. Spray them down with some more 312. Yeah. All right, guys, we are right at Flame Out. Add in our last edition of 2 ounces of Falconer's Flight 7Cs. While I hook up the chiller. And 3.5 hours after starting to heat up water, we are putting it into the fermenter. Coming out at a balmy, I should read it, 68 degrees. Not too bad. Gonna be pitching US-05 with this. Should be pretty tasty. Really, really excited. Watch out for the next tasting video of this. Can't wait.